You're headed home and you're hungry, and you would like dinner. And of course, you want something really delicious. Well, we got you covered here at Asai Guy Cooks with Chicken Bacon Cheddar Bake. So let's get started. Let's create the cream sauce. Now let's prepare the chicken. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces if needed. Time to prepare the bacon. Let's build the dish. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Brussels sprouts first appeared in Northern Europe during the 5th century. However, they were cultivated in the 13th century near Brussels, Belgium. Hence the name Brussels sprouts. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion of this chicken bacon cheddar bake on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the combination of tender chicken, crispy bacon, Brussels sprouts, and of course the cream sauce brings everything together. This dish is magnificent. Join the community, leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Dinner's ready. Stay with us. Watch another video.